Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Musetex K2, a mid-tower ATX case that aims to deliver both style and substance without breaking the bank. Musetex is positioning this case as a high-configuration, high-cost performance option, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are definitely positive. The K2 boasts a 270-degree dual-tempered glass panel, offering a panoramic view of your components. This is a step up from many cases in the same price range, allowing you to showcase your high-end hardware and RGB lighting in all its glory. The white finish gives it a clean and modern aesthetic that should fit well in most setups. The front panel I/O is surprisingly well equipped. Musetex has included two USB 3.0 ports and a Type-C port, which is a welcome addition for connecting modern devices. You also get the standard reset button and audio jacks. Inside, the K2 offers a spacious layout that should accommodate a wide range of components. It supports GPUs up to 420 millimeters long, CPU coolers up to 178 millimeters tall, and power supplies up to 238 millimeters. There's also room for up to a 360 millimeters liquid cooler on the top. The case comes with 3 non-LED fans pre-installed, which is a decent starting point for cooling. One interesting design choice is the side panel apertures with 2 pre-installed side fans. These fans draw air in to cool the components directly, which could help improve overall thermal performance. Musetex has also included magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom of the case to help keep dust out. The rectangular structure of the case is designed to be space efficient, so it shouldn't take up too much room on your desk. The tempered glass panels are not only visually appealing, but also offer good sound insulation. Overall, the Musetex K2 appears to be a well-designed and feature-rich case for the price. The spacious interior, ample cooling options, and modern I/O make it a solid choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. The 270-degree tempered glass panel is a standout feature that really sets it apart from the competition. If you're looking for a stylish and functional case without spending a fortune, the Musetex K2 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.